Why is Europe so much warmer than the US in winter, especially when you consider that most of the US is farther south and closer to the equator? So you'd think Europe should be colder, right? But it's actually the opposite. Look, Lisbon in Portugal hardly ever sees snow, and the average winter temperature stays above zero, while at the same latitude, Boston often gets frost and snow down to -10. Berlin, which is farther north than Montreal, still has much softer winters. But in Canada, winter drags on for months and can be brutally cold. The reason lies in the Gulf Stream. It's a powerful warm ocean current that starts in the Caribbean Sea, passes through the Gulf of Mexico, where the water heats up to about 28 degrees, then flows up along the eastern coast of the US and speeds northeast across the Atlantic, carrying huge amounts of warm water straight to Europe. That warm water heats the air, and the westerly winds spread that warmth across the continent, making winters much milder. That's why even Oslo, which is at the same latitude as Anchorage, has relatively mild winters, and its coastline rarely freezes. Meanwhile, the US gets the opposite effect. Along the west coast runs the cold California current, keeping temperatures cool even in summer. Far to the north over Siberia, massive cold air builds up in winter, feeding the Arctic chill. Then this frigid air sweeps south into Canada and pours into the central and eastern US, bringing harsh snowstorms, sudden temperature drops, and bitter cold.